Hello and welcome. Greg here from Wrexham Volkswagen, sharing with you our latest arrival in stock in the form of this Volkswagen Golf 8. This particular one is the sporty Golf 8 R-Line 1.5 TSI petrol, finished here in the upgraded Dolphin grey metallic paint. As an approved used vehicle, it will benefit from minimum 2-year warranty and roadside assistance, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. This particular one also benefits from a number of optional upgrades, such as 18-inch Bergami alloy wheels and the winter pack heated front seats. Those alloy wheels will really complement the colour nicely with the privacy glass, and a quick glimpse in the rear will also show you plenty of legroom and headroom for 3 passengers, with upholstery being finished in part cloth and leather, and also there's plenty of ambient lighting all round. Full LED taillights are available with a redesigned rear sports bumper, and the boot space itself can easily take a week's worth of shopping. You can always create more space by folding the rear seats down a 60-40 split, and there is a compartment hidden underneath. In the front, digital dashboard, leather-wrapped multifunction sports steering wheel and front bucket sports seats will also be on offer. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Golf 8 R-Line. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you are enjoying watching this particular video, why not hit on the like button now or leave us a comment or question about it in the section below. Once inside the cabin of this Golf 8, there's plenty for you to enjoy. Stylishly designed cabin feels solidly put together, and there's electric windows all round, heated wing mirrors and automatic LED headlights. Multifunction steering wheel is even heated and comes with active cruise control. The active info display up ahead will allow you to optimize it and choose what you want to display both in the left and the right cluster. The overall look can also be fully changed. You can, for example, change the shape, display the active cruise control information or full sat-nav mapping. In the center, the system itself comes with 2 various modes. You've got a more conventional menu, which will benefit from Bluetooth telephony, but you can fully personalize the position of the tiles by dragging your finger across. Full AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception will be available, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone connectivity. Built-in satellite navigation will ensure you never ever get lost and comes with live traffic updates. Sound settings are also available to optimize the feel, and various vehicle settings will also allow you to optimize and personalize this Golf 8. A number of safety systems will be on offer to keep you and your occupants safe, and for whatever mood you're in, you can even change the color of the cabin, changing the look of the dials and the overall illumination throughout the vehicle, which is a lovely feature to have. Helping you park is an upgraded rear view camera that's complemented by front and rear parking sensors. Easy to use climate control will keep you warm with those heated front seats, and driver modes are also available, prioritizing fuel economy or sportiness. Deep center armrest and cup holders will also be on offer. This has been a presentation of the Volkswagen Golf 8 R-Line that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today, either by calling the number listed in the description, or better yet, just follow the link attached to take you to the car page directly. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.